Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new to my channel. So today I have a what's in my bag video featuring this beauty, which is Gucci Rajah mini bag. And recently I have done an unboxing for this bag. If you guys haven't checked that yet, you guys should check that out. And this is how it looks. And this is one piece of leather, by the way. You can see there is no stitching anywhere. It is just one piece of leather all the way around, starting from here up to there. So you can see no stitching on the bottom. So this is not your average bag, guys. This is a mini bag. That's why its name is Rajah mini bag. Yeah, since this is a mini bag, you can't carry most of the items which you carry regularly in your bigger bags, but you can fit your essentials. And by the way, this is great for evening out. I was thinking this chain is removable, but it's not. You can't remove the chain, but you can tuck this inside, and for evening out you don't need a lot of stuff, so you can just carry your card and some lipstick or gum or some whatever you want, but you can't fit your phone inside. If you have a smaller phone than iPhone XR, then you can fit, I think, maybe 7 or 8, but iPhone XR doesn't fit inside, or larger than iPhone XR obviously will not fit inside. Yeah, so iPhone XR doesn't fit inside. If it is smaller than iPhone XR, it may fit inside. So without further ado, let's get started with this what's in my bag. So that is the magnetic closure, and you can see my bag is fully stuffed to the top. So the first thing I have is this hand cream by L'Occitane. I always carry hand cream because my hands are super dry. My skin is super dry, but my face is super oily. I don't know why. That's why I have to always carry this hand cream. Next I have this Marc Jacobs, right there, Marc Jacobs Mod Noir roller ball, and this is how it looks. You can just put like this whenever you want or need. So I have that one. Next I have a lipstick by NARS, which is in the shade Cruella, I think. Yeah, Cruella, the one I'm wearing today. Did I show you the name? This is the shade, by the way. The one I am wearing today. Next I have my card key fob. I don't take the 6-ring card holder in my bag because obviously there is no space. So if you put those, then you can't carry all this stuff. So I only carry my key fob. Next I have a blotting paper by Fenty Beauty. And like I said before, I have very oily face, so I always carry this. Let me show you how it looks like. So there is the paper, and when you need it, you just take some and yeah, use this. So that's that. Next I have a packet of gum. I have the extra in spearmint. I have a pack of tissue, and whatever I'm showing you guys, I carry them all the time in my bags. And then I have a mirror, compact mirror from Sephora, and this is double-sided. I think one side is Yeah, this side is magnifier, I think 10x, and this is just regular. Yeah, this side is regular and this side has magnifying glass. So that's a compact mirror, and you can see my bag is empty now, and there are only 2 card slots, but I have put 4 cards inside: my driving license, my debit card, my credit card, and my insurance card. So I have 4 cards there. I am not carrying my regular wallet because obviously there is no space. If you put that, it's thicker, like this thick. You can't put all these essentials. So that's the reason why I am only carrying 4 cards. Oopsie. And you can put some cash as well. If you try to put some cash, you can put some cash as well, I think. There are some space here. If you roll the cash, maybe like this, or yeah, if you roll the cash, you can easily fit them on this side, on these sides. Yeah, so my phone doesn't fit inside, so you don't see my phone here. Yeah, so those are the items were in my bag. Let me show you guys again. So I have 4 cards. Then I have a tissue by Kleenex, tissue pack by Kleenex. I have a compact mirror from Sephora. I have a pack of gum by Extra. And then I'm going to put my key fob this side. I'm going to put my blotting paper right here on the corner where there is space. I'm going to put the lipstick by NARS on this corner right there. And then I'm ouch. Then I'm going to put my perfume right here on top, you can see right there. And then I'm going to put my hand cream right there, so you can see. I think you can put some cash on top as well, but I don't have cash, so I'm not putting them right now. Yeah, so this is what you can fit inside your bag. So that's it for this video, guys. Now I'm going to try it on and show you guys how it looks on the body. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.